Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have this 2020 Range Rover Sport and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just your regular factory lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. Okay, so before we start with the installation, we want to make sure we prep the headlight. So just spray Slip Solution onto the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, just go all around the lens, making sure you remove all the contaminants that it may have. Okay, so to start with the installation, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the tint film. With this one, place it, and we're going to start off by aligning it to this section of the headlight first. Now that we have it aligned and it's covering the clear part of the headlight, now we could lift the film and start applying tack solution. Make sure it's still aligned before you continue tacking down. So now that we have it aligned, apply tack solution on top now. Hold it in position and start tagging it down. And make sure when you're squeegeeing the film that you are not leaving any water bubbles behind the film. So make sure you just remove all the water bubbles before you move on with the next install. Okay, now that we have this section tacked down, we can start stretching the film on this side and meet it up to the edge here. So it's just a light stretch. So all you need to do is just lift the film, apply Slip Solution, and the Slip Solution is going to help us stretch the film to meet it to the edge here. With both hands, stretch it and make sure you just stretch it up to the film meets the edge of the headlight here. So roughly around there. Hold it in position and apply tack solution so we can start tacking down the film to the headlight. This one's pretty simple. There's not much of a curve, so it's just making sure everything's aligned and it should be all good to go. So now that the film has been secured and tacked down, make sure to double check and see if there's any water bubbles. If you still see some, make sure you remove them. But if there's no water bubbles behind the film, then we can move on with the last step, which is post-heating. So to post-heat the tint, all we need is tack solution. So we're just going to apply tack solution all around the film, especially on the edges. And then with heat, we're going to go all around, making sure we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it tacks down to the headlight. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2020 Range Rover Sport. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.